In the previous video, we configured the 843E encoder to work with our Compact Logic's PLC in Studio 5000, but it left me with a lot of questions about why we should use an Ethernet encoder versus a hardwired encoder. So I've connected with Omna, the global product manager for encoders and limit switches at Rockwell Automation. What are the advantages of the Ethernet encoder versus our hardwired encoder?
Ethernet encoders are more versatile. You can program the pulses per revolution, set ohms and gear ratios. They're easier to wire and can be wired over higher distances. They don't require separate interfaces like SSI, HTL, TTL. They're easier to interface in Logix.
I know how to use it in Studio 5000. What else can we interface it with?
They're suitable for use with kinetics and PowerFlex drives.
What all diagnostics info can we get out of it?
If Premier integration with Studio 5000 add-on profile, it supports automatic diagnostics. A user can define the alarms for position, velocity, acceleration, and temperature.
How does this affect our system design?
It reduces bill of material. For example, let's say you wanted to measure high speeds. With a hardwired encoder, you'd have to use a high-speed counter. I/O Ethernet network allows it without any need for specialized I/O.
What are other features that it has?
The features of the 843E include configurable resolution per revolution. It comes in solid shaft like this one or hollow shaft like this. And it comes in a wide range of shaft diameters. It can come in multi-turn and single-turn options.
I guess I'm still a little bit old school. How fast does this respond?
The previous model, the 842E encoder, was 2 millisecond RPI. This new 843E is 1 millisecond RPI.
I see it has 2 ports. What all network topologies does it support?
As you can see, they have dual port Ethernet with an embedded switch. They're compatible with star, linear, and device level ring topology.
What type of environmental rating does it have?
It's IP67 rated and it has nano-coated options. Nano-coated provides more corrosion resistance, especially in saltwater environments. All in all, the 843 encoder is easier to integrate and incorporate in various applications.
That was some great info, Amna. I'm definitely going to pick some of these up to use on future encoder applications. And I've also picked up this safety Ethernet IP encoder